Hi guys, Just Sophie here with another video, and today we're finally doing it. I've been dreading this video, but we're finally gonna do it. It is a lock count video. Yes, we are counting locks. We are checking this out. We're gonna see how many locks I have in my head. I don't know, honestly, because I've lost locks, I've gained locks, lost locks, gained locks, so I'm not sure, but we're about to find out right now. So hit that subscribe button, follow, hit the notification bell, and also hit the like button so I can bring you more lock content. So let's get started. Put your estimate down below before we begin. I'm just going to split it in half as much as I can and tie it up very gently. Alright, then I'm going to start on, this will be my left, your right, and we are going to start counting. I'm going to put this into, yeah, like that, and we are going to start counting. So I'm going to speed this up, of course, so that it's not super long, but I hope it is close to your guess. And my guess right now is, I will say 175. Okay, let's go.
The right brain drives me insane. Don't lie, don't lie, don't lie to me. Don't fry, don't fry, don't fry your brain.
Alright, so this section so far has 39. So I'm just going to write that down so I can remember. 39. Alright. And let's keep going. Let's do this section. I'm going to go ahead and do this section and let's get started. We have 39 so far.
More carrots. Don't tear it. More carrots. Where's Garrett?
Vegetables. Vegetables.
Here I come from the west side. The left side. The right brain.
Alright, so now let's do the other half. I'm going to turn this way just a little bit. I'm going to try to split it as best as I can. Alright, like that. Alright, and I'm going to start with the back. We have 63, so we're counting on from 63.
More carrots. Where's Garrett?
Vegetables. Vegetables.
Here I come from the west side. The left side. The right brain drives me insane. Don't lie, don't lie, don't lie to me.
To do the last section, put your guesses in the comments. Come on now. I want to see what you guys think and what you guys are going to say. So, alright. Here we go.
Vegetables.
Here I come from the west side.
Alright guys, I did my final counting and there are 132 locks. 132. Let me know down below if you guessed correctly. I was off. I guessed 175. So I know I have less. And I'm not even sure what I originally started with. So, because I've added locks, taken away locks. So, it's been a process. But yes, 132 locks. Yes. So, if you have any questions or comments, let me know down below. Follow me on social media. It's down below. Also, follow the website that I have down below and the Etsy shop down below. Alright guys, I will talk to you later. Bye.